Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. So for this video, I am going to do a waterfall paint pour, and I'm using my color shift paints from my recent Michael's Haul video. I'm also using the one that I already had. So I have green flash, blue flash, oops, let's focus that, pink flash, and purple flash. Whoops. I'll also be using white and black. Black is my base color. I've used the Color Shift Green before in my first waterfall paint pour, and I really loved it, so I'm hoping to recreate some of that look. I will put that video in the cards and the description down below if you're interested in seeing it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and torch it and see if I can get some cells coming out. Look at how cool the cup looks. That's super pretty. Okay, so I'm not quite sure how I feel about this one right now, but I'm going to let it sit for a little while and then we will come back and take a closer look. I'm hoping some of this blue pops up more throughout because it's giving almost like an iridescent look, which technically these paints are also iridescent in themselves, but I think I'll like it a little bit more if we get some more blue maybe in here and maybe some more cells. Plus, as always, the colors will get darker as it dries, so I may like it a little bit more once that happens. So we'll let it sit for a few minutes and then come back and look a little closer. And we're back. So we've gotten a lot more cells popping up, and I'm starting to think it's pretty interesting looking. I'm still not quite sure how I feel about the whole thing, but there's some parts that I really like. Like this area is super cool. If I can figure out how to duplicate that on an entire canvas, I think that'd be really neat. And then some of these cells that are popping up. Over here we've got some really cool lines, but the cells are really small, so they're kind of I don't know, breaking up the lines a little bit in a way I don't love. But it might look cooler once it's dry. And then down here, this purple corner is really cool. And in through here, I love this look. So over here, it's that kind of iridescent look that I was talking about, where the blue streaks through some of the other colors. And then I like the way the colors over here are layered. And this little section's really neat too. So this is the area I really love, and I wish I could get the whole canvas to look like that. Overall, I think it's really interesting, and I'm looking forward to seeing it dry and a little bit darker. Plus, then I'll be able to see the color shift a little bit better. I'm noticing some of the places where I got some of the blue color shift on like the plastic backdrop. As it dries, it looks like a super pretty iridescent purpley blue, and I really like the way that looks. So hopefully we'll get some of that in here. This looks totally different from my other waterfall paint pour, and obviously that's one of the perks and sometimes one of the frustrations of paint pouring is you never know quite how it's going to turn out. You can control some elements, but there's always going to be a little bit of a difference. So what do you think about this painting? Leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.